Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be teaching us how to add motion tracker to our video using Capcut to make the camera look as if it is following our movement. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Click on Capcut, wait for it to load. Click on New Project. Pick the video that you want to add motion tracker to. Then you add it. Then the video will now appear in your Capcut timeline. Head over to text, go to add text. We'll be picking a letter O. That letter now we'll be using it to track our object. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be tracking my head. So first of all, I reframe the video, I increase it, adjust some settings. Then after doing that, I lift the alphabet to my face. Like I said, I'll be tracking my head. And after that one, I click on my video. Okay, I played it. You can see everything is out of order. I clicked on the video. Then I click on the motion tracking tool. Then I'll be moving my head toward the direction of the O. So I'll be adjusting my head, make sure that it's in range with that O. I'll be arranging it like that. Make sure that your head is not far from the O. See, I'm adjusting my head to that O. You keep doing this as many times as possible. You keep repeating the process. So anytime you move any clip and you see that your head is moving out, you can do that to your hand, your legs, or object that you are holding. When I am done, so I decided to play the video from the start to see how it is, and this is what I got. You can see now that the motion tracking is working. It looks as if the camera angle is following every of my movement at the point. So what I will be doing now is to delete the letter O. It's gone. So now you can see that we have a very clean footage. I'm dancing and it's as if the camera is following me. Please, if you have learned from this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. It's very, very important.
Thank you once more time. Have a nice day. Bye.